What is up, my people? What's up, what's up, what's up? Man, if you have not been to this channel, well, you couldn't have because I'm starting over. I really wasn't taking YouTube serious before. I was just kind of throwing stuff out there here and there. Back in, I think, 2000 and maybe 11 is the first time I used YouTube. It really didn't do anything. It wasn't until 2007 where I put a couple videos on from Seattle Fashion Week, stuff I was doing there, and then a couple videos that I did. But what I'm doing now, man, just definitely starting over. Gonna take it as a brand new beginner, but I do have experience in marketing and developing things, you know, making things. I'm a DIY type of person. I make furniture. I do you name it. I can try to figure it out. I've done all this remodel, the wood wall back here. Cut out my townhouse, turned into a studio. I have a lot of pictures and video I can show from that, and I will do that later on. But this channel is going to be dedicated to helping entrepreneurs and create content, things of that nature. So I'll give you my insight on just what it is to be an entrepreneur, the mindset of being an entrepreneur, the mindset of getting over things, the mindset of being a champion. Also, I like creating things. So what does it take to create some of the apps that I use? Also do some product reviews because I use various tools. I'm a Canon dude, but I like other products here and there. I'm like a geeky type dude. I love DIY and I love electronics. So I'll talk about those different things. I'm getting to start producing music. So a lot of little things that I'm working on. Also, I'm the CEO and founder of Motivated Life. It's a lifestyle brand. It's another channel. Done a few short films for that channel, and you know, so I'm just gonna walk you through my life on both sides. Just the CEO Motivated Life person that's got his own channel, unique flavor, and then Edward Newbins on this channel is going to be more about the process of being a CEO, being a founder, being an entrepreneur, a photographer, being a DIY type of person, and just really just being a dude that's just trying to grow and trying to share information with people. And that's about it. So we're gonna have fun with it. I'm a crazy dude. I like doing fun stuff. I like just enjoying life. I got a lot of different friends. We're gonna do interviews on this channel. I'm gonna sit down and talk to various folks doing whatever they do in the community. Kind of cross collaborate with Living a Motivated Life. Push people back over to the other channel. But yeah, so at Newbins, I do a lot of different things, and so on this channel, I want to showcase that, and the interviews that I have are going to be just me doing my thing and pushing the narrative on that. Yeah, but anyways, yeah. That didn't sound too bad, actually.
Woo,
right?
yeah.
Oh, no. All right, we out of here. Bye. All right, so as you can see, I was in the process of uploading my first YouTube production for 2020 on my Edward Newbins platform. I don't have a lot of videos on here. Actually, I hit a lot of them because I think I started doing stuff around 2017 consistently, and then I stopped. So rebranding. But anyways, what I want to show you is are some of the people that I follow. So as you know, Gary Vee is a dope. He's a top one out there as far as social media production and brand development and things of that nature. But I've also followed some other people, and so one of those people is Kelly Stamps. Kelly Stamps. I started following her a while ago, and I really liked her personality. I thought she was really quirky, and sure enough, here it goes right here. What's her name? She's hella funny, man. So, let me stop that real quick. Just ridiculous. All right. So, that was Kelly Stamps. And then let me show you the next person. I came across her recently, and her name is Vanessa Lau. I think I'm pronouncing her name right. So there she goes. And go a quick look at what she's
just a more no-filter conversation about business and online coaching and everything like that. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you guys have a great day, a great week, and a great life, and I will see you in the next.
So she's really good. I like her because she's just down to earth. Her story is amazing, how she started, and feeling like, really going from college into the corporate world wasn't working for her. She's younger than me by a lot, and I think that message is something I wish I had did because I've always been doing video production. I learned how to do this in 6th grade. I've always had a camera with me. I've always created stories. I've been a great storyteller. Yeah, won some awards here and there throughout school and enter contests, and so I never truly pushed myself down that whole creative world. And so what that's done is like it's kind of limited me a little bit. I've gone into a world of just doing really well in a lot of different areas, but my passion is talking to people, creating stories, and helping people move to another level. I started a company called Motivated Life, and it kind of came around the whole idea of who I am, And if you don't understand who you are, how in the world can you help other people? And so let me show you something. I got this in the mail. This is just like the Motivated Life stuff. I actually order my own things just because I want to make sure that, that the product is good and the things of that nature. I used to do some stuff around the house, do some screen printing around the house on my own. Even like this shirt right here is something I screen printed. Yeah, but back to the reason why I'm doing what I'm doing is just, to inspire other people to grow, really in a nutshell. But what I've learned from watching people like Gary Vee, we got Vanessa Lau and Kelly Stamps, is that, the importance of being able to brand yourself and be able to utilize social media in a way that will help you grow. And so I recently got my Amazon affiliate account set up. I did that about a month ago. So now when you look at the products on there, I don't take any money out of your pocket, but if you like the things that I'm proposing, the camera equipment that I use, things of that nature, and you go buy one, I might get a small percentage or something like that, but it doesn't affect the price that you pay. So I've done that. What else is there? Thumbnails. So for thumbnails, a lot of the YouTubers that I follow, they use Canva. I actually like using some other thumbnails, but overall Canva is really good. I think you can find a lot of ones on there's thumbnail maker. I've downloaded that. I've used that for a few of my videos, and I'll put something over here about what that looks like. And so I've done that for the videos that I did for the documentaries for the Motivated Life brand. I use thumbnail maker for that, and I use my phone actually to do a lot of editing. I learned how to do editing a long time ago, old school way, old school VHS tapes, if you even know what those are. But I like using Adobe Premiere. I have that. I have a Mac. It went down, but I typically was using just a PC laptop, and it's whatever works for you. Currently, I use my phone too. So there's different apps. I'll actually go into those things like KindMaster, things of that nature. It's just whatever you got to use is what you use. You don't have to have any special equipment. Just be able to get things out there. And really, it's about getting started. But I'm following some people that know what they're doing. They've shown that they can do what they've learned and they've grown. And I already have an innate ability to connect with people, speak on camera. I'm comfortable, be myself, be funny, be silly, not really care. And at the end of the day, be able to provide value. I do that for my community. I'm here in Seattle, Washington. But, I connect with people all around the country, and I want to start showcasing that, but also help people build their brands. And I consult with a lot of folks. I've done commercials. So really, it's just about starting and having the right tools and the right support system. So I think I found, at least 3 dope folks that I can follow and kind of learn from. Obviously, there's more that I look at. I actually will highlight some of those people too. I'm a DIY guy too, so there's a dude that he's been started a long time ago. He's huge now. He's been doing his thing for a while. DIYCreator, I believe. I think he's out of Florida. There's YGImaging or something like that, or no, YGImaging. He does music videos, and now he does full on production. I believe he's in LA now, young black dude. So there's people that I see that look like me that are doing their thing on YouTube, and there's other folks around the country that I follow, like Gary Vee and things of people like him. And yeah, so you have to get consistent, have a schedule. You got to be able to use your thumbnails correctly. You have to be able to really have a message, who you're trying to help. So you need to target who you're trying to help and identify who that's going to be, what they look like, what they're looking for, and how you can provide value to them. And at the end of the day, be yourself and just get started. So that's just real quick in a nutshell what I've been up to, what I've been learning, who I've been following, and I'm going to continue on this journey and just create content, help you guys out, grow my channel, and also grow another brand. Motivated Life is one of my ideas that I started a few years ago, and selling across the country, going into movies and a lot of different areas. And so, I'm also utilizing the same skill sets that I'm trying to teach other people. I'm using that to build a brand myself too. So let me say, I am by no means an expert at all things, but I'm really good at learning and growing and sharing. And so that's what I'll be doing. So, all right, y'all, gotta go.